51021 Philadelphia SOX Index called the chip sector, which has not performed and it hasn't been performing, and it was down 144 points. And as I've always said, for you that have been around a long time here, is that if the chip sector doesn't rally, then you're not going to have a rally because chips leach markets higher and they leave them lower. And that has been around for, I've been around 35 years doing this, everyone. You broke below the moving averages. I'm going to set alerts on the chip sector just so people understand it. And we'll see what happens down here at the 50-day moving average. We just broke below the 10 and the 20. And once again, it was a big, big sell off. And it's been doing this since really February. It's had little pockets of higher movements, but down 4.65%. No, that you do not have bull markets without this chip sector. You got stocks like Nvidia, Lam Research, AMD, Applied Materials. There's a whole bunch of them in that sector. And they have been getting walloped. And it's been telling us that this tech NASDAQ 100, NASDAQ composite, and these stocks that had worked so much for people in the past just have not been the same. And like I said, I can see the writing on the wall. I've been through many decades of this. And once again, these markets are recalibrating themselves to going back to what markets really are. And so there is going to be more. And, I see it as the beginning of the unwind. And every time you have movement, you had an April, the month of April rally. But now you're giving it back and giving it all back. And the same sector is the one, again, NASDAQ composite tech sector. You have stocks down over time. You have Apple underperforming the S&P. I mean, look at that thing. You better pay attention. Take the free trial. Get into the live trading room. Get some education behind you. You're going to need it. I swear you're going to need it. And you're going to need it bigger than you thought until one of two things are going to happen. You're going to lose all your money in these sectors, or you're going to go down a retail program and it's not going to do you any good. So, you're in a losing situation. Here you're in a winning situation. And you're going to have that relationship, and you're going to have someone like me who cares about you. And you are. So take the free trial, start there so you're not a victim of these markets. Once again, Philadelphia SOX Index, the chip sector leads rallies down and rallies up.